हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हम आ गए हैं एक्सरसाइज 8.1 ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की लेके। कल के टॉपिक से सबको पता ही होगा, सम पीपल हैव कर्ली ब्लैक हेयर थ्रू प्रॉपर ब्रशिंग क्योर्ड बाय स्पेशल कटिंग। एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं। क्या मीनिंग था? साइन मीन्स पी बाई एच, कॉस मीन्स बी बाई एच, टेन मीन्स पी बाई बी, कॉसेक मीन्स एच बाई पी, sec means h by b, and cut means cot means b by p. करेक्ट? तो आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से। A triangle PQR is given in which angle Q is 90 and two sides are given 12 and hypotenuse 13 and we want to calculate QR. So how we calculate QR? From Pythagoras theorem you know very well. So QR square is nothing but 13 square minus 12 square, that is 169 minus 144 25. So QR is nothing but 5. Very simple. When QR is 5, we want to calculate 10p, and you know 10 means, see the poem, 10 means p by b. So 10p, p is the angle, so opposite to angle, this is perpendicular, that is 5. Divide by base 12. Now this time cot r. Cot r means base is this one and perpendicular is this one. We want cot r. Cot r means b by p. So what is b? 5 by 12. 5 by 12 and 5 by 12 cancel out and answer is 0. Correct? The next sum, number 3rd. Sin A is 3 by 4 given. Sin A 3 by 4. It is in the ratio. That's why we have to suppose it is in the ratio 3k is to 4k. This is perpendicular by hypotenuse, p by h. We have to calculate base. So base is, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Base means 4k square minus 3k square. That is 16k square minus 9k square. It will come 7k square. Hence, it is base square. So base square. So base is now only root 7k. Base is root 7k and our aim is to calculate cos A. That means cos A equals to base divided by hypotenuse. Correct? We want to calculate tan, and tan you know is nothing but sine divided by cos. So when we divide sine A by cos A, what we are getting? 3k by root 7k. Answer is 3 by root 7. Easy? So whenever ratio is given, don't say that it is 3 and it is 4. It is in the ratio, that is maybe 3k and 4k. So always assume 3k and 4. Correct? Next sum, number 4th. 15 cot A is given 8. It means cot A equals to 8 by 15. Now see the poem. Cot means b by p. So this is b and this is p. We assume that it is 8k and 15k. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is nothing but 15k square plus 8k square. This is hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse square is 225 plus 64k square. Add these two, 4 and 5, 9, 6 and 2, 8, 289k square. That means h is nothing but 17k. Now when you know h, you know b, you know p, we can calculate each and every ratio. So what is required? Only sin A and sec A. Now you know sin A meaning is p by h. What is p? What is h calculated? Answer is 15 by 17. Easy? Next is sec A. Sec A means, see, sec means h by b. H means 17k and b means 8k. So answer is 17 by 8. Easy? सब कुछ एक ही चीज पे डिपेंडेंट है। पाइथागोरस थ्योरम आनी चाहिए, ये पोएम आनी चाहिए, बस काम हो गया। सारी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आसान। Next is cos A equal to cos B is a good question because one solved example is given in your book, but it is in the very difficult manner. We'll solve it with a very small thing. What is given in two triangle? Cos A, suppose a triangle is ABC is 90. Cos A equals to cos B. That's why we put here one other letter, say P. And cos B is here. It is B, and say Q and D. What is given? Cos A equals to cos B. It is given. Cos A equals to cos B. You have to prove angle A and B also equal. So if cos A, what is cos A? From this, cos A is nothing but CA divided by hypotenuse AP. Very clear? What is cos B? From the triangle number 2, base is DB, because this angle is 90, and divide by QB. Simple. Now one important theorem from page number 154 of your NCERT. If you see the page number 154, a theorem is given. What theorem? In two right triangles, if one side and one hypotenuse, any one side and hypotenuse are proportional and equal, then these two triangles are similar. Okay? Any one side and hypotenuse are equal, then these two triangles are similar. And when triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Hence, what is given? CA by AP equals to DB by QB. Hence, by RHS criteria, what we write? Hence, by RHS criteria, these two triangles are similar. And when triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Hence, angle A equals to angle B. Very short, simple method. So don't go with the method like given in the short example of your NCERT book. Use this shortcut method. Correct? Now sum number 7th. Cot theta is 7 by 8. Cot theta is 7 by 8. It means 7k by 8k. What is the meaning of cot? B by P. This is B, this is P. We have to calculate hypotenuse. And hypotenuse, how we calculate? B square plus P square. What we are getting? K square common. 113. Check it again. 113 K square is H square. So H is what? Root 113 K. H is root 113 K. And we want to calculate the value of this expression given to you. So here we can write, first we want sin theta. Sin theta means P by H. So what is P? It is given. P is 8K. And H we have calculated root 113K. Correct? Similarly, we want cos theta. Cos theta is B. B means 7K divided by root 113K. Now we have cos theta and sin theta. Our aim is to calculate this expression. So simply substitute the value here. What we are getting? 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. Very simple. Here again A plus B and A minus B. A square minus B square. Now LCM is 113. LCM is 113. Now tell me, 113 minus 64, 49. And 113 minus 49, 64. Hence the answer is 49 by 64 is the value of the expression given to you. Now the question is, find the value of cot square theta. So what is cot theta? Cot theta means 7 by 8 given. So what is cot square theta? It is 49 by 64. Answer is same. Why same? We'll explain it in the next exercise when we use the identities, that 1 minus sin square theta and 1 minus cos square theta is equals to what? So leave it for the next exercise. But here cot square theta is 49 by 64 and this expression answer is also 49 by 64. Correct? Next is sum number 8. Sum number 8 says 3 cot A equals to 4. 3 cot A equals to 4. Check. We have to check 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A. Yes or no? It is true or not? We have to check. So first cot A is given. That is 4 by 3 k and k. Base, you know, this is base, this is perpendicular. What is our aim to calculate? Hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is base square plus perpendicular square, that is 16k square plus 9k square. Correct? So h is nothing but 25k square under root, that is 5k. Now when you know h, you know b, you know p, we can substitute the value of, and also you know cot and tan are reciprocal of each other, so we can put direct value. 1 minus tan A means cot ka ulta, 3k by 4k square, and here 1 plus 3k by 4k square. What we are getting in LHS? 1 minus 9 by 16, 1 plus 9 by 16. After taking LCM, 16 minus 9 is 7 and 16 plus 9 is 25. LCM 16 and 16 cancel out. So this is the value of LHS. Now we want to solve RHS. What is cos A? Cos A means base divided by hypotenuse. It's a square. What is sine? 3k upon 5k square. K and k cancel out, it is 16 by 25. And k and k cancel out, it is 9 by 25. What we are getting? 16 minus 9. Hence, LHS equals to RHS. So this expression is correct. Again, these type of questions are said to be identities. We'll solve in next exercise. Next is sum number 9th. In a right angle at B, important point is where it is right angle, because everything decided by this 90 degree. Right angle at B and tan A is given 1 by root 3. You have to calculate the value of first sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. First part. And second part you have to prove cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. It means first we want the values. What is required? Tan means P by B. We have to calculate hypotenuse. So first we calculate the hypotenuse is 1 square plus root 3 square under root. 1 square plus root 3 square in terms of k. What we are getting? 3 and 1 4, that is 2k. This is k and this is root 3k. One is perpendicular and base is root 3. Now tell me how we write sin A. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 1 by 2. Cos C, we have to calculate cos A, base upon perpendicular, correct? And sin C we have to calculate. Now the important point, angle is now changed. So base and perpendicular exchange. So this time this will become base, yes, and this will become perpendicular. So base is cos C, 1 by hypotenuse, and sin C perpendicular is this time root 3 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Answer is equals to 1. For this expression, answer is 1. Now for the another expression, cos A, you know cos A already root 3 by 2. Cos C, you know cos C half. Minus sin A is half. And sin C is root 3 by 2. Now tell me what will be the product. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, it means we are getting 0. For the second answer, 0, first part 1. Correct? One more important question from old CBSE board papers. Some number that is 10. Very important. In PQR triangle, right angled at Q. Right angled at Q. PQR triangle. PR plus QR 25. PR plus QR, just like linear equation. PR plus QR 25 and PQ is 5. Sum of these two is given to you 25. Suppose PR equals to X. Then tell me what about RQ? If this one is X, PR is X, then QR is just like linear equation. QR is 25 minus X. Yes or no? Easy. Now you know the Pythagoras theorem and you know the quadratic and linear equations. So now we start with Pythagoras. X square equals to 25 minus X the whole square plus 5 square. So hypotenuse square is 625, 50x, x square, 25. X square and X square cancel out. So 50x equals to 625 and 650. That is x equals to 650 divided by 50. What we are getting? 13. So this x is now 13. When x is 13, this will be 12. Now what they want? They want three values to calculate. First is sin p. You have to calculate cos p. And third you have to calculate tan p. Very simple. So start with P. P means acute angle is here. So perpendicular is here. Hypotenuse is here. Easy. Cos P, base upon hypotenuse. And tan. When you divide sin by cos, you are getting tan. That is 12 by 5. Answer. Easy. Now the last question, objective question or a 1 mark question. You have to just like fill in the blanks. Now. The value of tan A is always less than 1. First is A, B, C, this angle is 90 degree. Value of tan A, you know, tan A means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular may be of any length, base may be of any length. We can't say that it is 1, less than 1. No. Tan A value is always less than 1 is not true. It may be higher also. Sec A 12 by 5. This is hypotenuse and this is base. Yes, possible. Hypotenuse pada hoga, perpet base. True. For some angle, true. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant angle of A. No. Cos A and cosecant are two different things. Cosecant short abbreviation is cosec. Cos is the short abbreviations for cosine. So it is not true. Cot A is the product of cot and A. Cot A means product of cot and A. No. It is a trigonometrical ratio. Cot, cotangent of angle A. So it is not a product. It is a complete one ratio of the angle A with respect to cotangent. Cotangent means cot A. And the last is important. Sin theta 4 by 3. Very important. What is given? Sin theta 4 by 3. For some angle theta. This is, perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is sin theta. So is it true that hypotenuse is less than perpendicular? Hypotenuse is less than perpendicular? It is not true because it is 90 degree and the longest side in the right triangle is hypotenuse. So it is absolutely wrong. One extra thing from my side, that value of sin theta always lying between -1 to 1. Why? Very simple. This quantity is always less than the hypotenuse. तो ये पूरी क्वांटिटी हमेशा क्या होगी? 1 से छोटी होगी क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा ऊपर वाले से बड़ा होगा. Yes or no? It means sin theta is always in up to your course. Sin theta is lying between 0 to 1 up to class 10th, and it is for class 11th and 12th. but up to your limit, say that sin theta and cos theta always lie just like probability. The reason is also same, because denominator always more than the numerator. So remember that sin and cos theta values lying between 0 to 1. So this is all about your base of the trigonometry, introduction of the trigonometry 8.1 exercise. तो आज का क्या होमवर्क है, इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को बहुत अच्छे से वापस रिपीट करना है. कर लेंगे? वेरी गुड. तो अगला लेक्चर हम लेके आते हैं वापस से सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय. मगर याद रखना है, समझ में आ रहा है तो लाइक करना है, दोस्तों को शेयर करना है और सब्सक्राइब तो करना ही है, क्योंकि अगला लेक्चर आपको टाइम पे घंटी के साथ मिल जाए. और याद रखिए, लॉकडाउन पीरियड में जो बच्चे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं उन सब के पेरेंट्स को और उन बच्चों को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस दैट यू आर यूजिंग दिस इंपॉर्टेंट क्रूशियल टाइम. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय.